So welcome back to my YouTube channel Informative Notifications. So in this video I will give you update about new job vacancies which are from NFL National Fertilizers Limited. And for if you want to apply for these vacancies, you have to visit the NFL career page. Let me tell you how to apply for these vacancies, and I will provide the detailed notification in the description. You can download it from there and check your eligibility if you are eligible or not. I will give you a short and crisp video. I'm making a short and crisp video. In this video I will explain you how to apply and from where you can reach to the page from where you have to apply. So you have to write it down here like NFL on the Google, and as you can see on my screen, there is first link which is career NFL. You have to click here, and there is a point number 2 which is recruitment for non-executive workers in marketing, transportation, various technical disciplines. Let me tell you, for applying for these vacancies you must have diploma or ITI if you want to apply for these vacancies. And for the proper eligibility criteria and number of vacancies, you can go through the notification which I will provide you in the description. And the vacancies are out in 3 disciplines of NFL, 3 units of NFL, which are Bhatinda, Bijapur and Patiala. And if you want to apply for these vacancies, then the online application already started from 21st of October, and the last date to apply for these vacancies is 10th of November. And if you want to apply, then you have to pay 200 rupees fees if you are from unreserved category like general, EWS, OVC, and bank charges. And if you are from reserved category, then you don't have to pay any charges. You are exempted from paying any kind of fee. For applying for these vacancies, you have to click on recruitment for non-executive workers. Click here, point number 2, and there are 2 points. There are 2 links which are first is for advertisement. If you want to go through the detailed notification, and I will also provide the link in the detail. As I already mentioned, I will provide the link of this advertisement in my description, so you don't have to worry about it. And if you want to apply online, then you should apply as quick as possible, because there are not too many days left, so you have to apply as soon as possible. For applying for this vacancy, you have to click on apply online, and after that you have to register yourself by clicking on register. After registering, you have to fill all the details which is required in this application and process your application. And there's one more thing that I will tell you. There are multiple centers in these vacancies. Multiple centers means there are centers in various cities. So if you apply early, then you can choose the center according to your suitability, because when you apply later, then it will make then there will be a difficulty to allot your suitable center, or it may become difficult. And so this is all about this video. And if you have any kind of query or any kind of issue for applying for this vacancy, then please comment below, and please like this video and subscribe my channel. Let us meet in the next video. Thank you.